Alright, how a tropical cyclone forms is a disturbance in tropical waters above 80 degrees off the coast of Africa, in the Caribbean, in the Gulf, Eastern Western Pacific, and in the Indian Ocean. When it hits 35 miles per hour, it becomes a tropical depression, and once we're in the circulation at the center. It moves counterclockwise because of the rotation of the Earth. When it hits 40 miles per hour, it becomes a tropical storm. As it moves across the ocean or the Caribbean or the Gulf, it picks up more energy. When it hits 75, it becomes a hurricane. Category 1. And there are 5 categories for hurricanes. Category 1, 75 to 94. And Category 2 is 95 to 110. Category 3 is 110 to 135, I believe. Category 4 is 135 to 155. Category 5 is 155 and over. Now as it moves across the ocean, it continues going counterclockwise. Picks up more and more energy. The thunderstorms get more enhanced. The wind becomes greater. And the storm starts to make a storm surge. Just like a huge wave coming across the ocean, just made from the wind of the storm. And it gets closer and closer to land. Sometimes it'll curve off in directions, all kinds of crazy patterns. And then certain things can slow it down, like wind shear, which is strong winds in the upper levels of the atmosphere that rip apart the storms, and then dry air, which kind of dries out the thunderstorms and stops them from forming. When it hits land, it's not picking up any energy from the water, so the storm dissipates. And then more and more of the land, it's not picking up any energy, the thunderstorms are dying, and eventually the storm is gone. And you're just left with a lot of storm surge and waves. So that's how a hurricane